Ayan, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. Thank you so much. Ayan. Ready na ba kayo? Ayan, bago po ako mag-proceed, let me ask you a question. People of Cataingan, can I be your Superman tonight? Ladies of Cataingan, can I be your man tonight? Here's a song from Josh Turner and this is entitled Your Man. DJ, music please. If you know the song, please sing with me. Pakilakas mo ng -1. Off the doors and the lights down low. Put some music on the soft floor. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all along. Never felt the feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. Oh yeah. There's no hurry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come closer, let's go over. Take off the doors and turn the lights down. Put some music on the softest girl. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all along. Never felt the feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. Palakpakan naman dyan! Ain't nobody ever love nobody the way that I love you. Lock the doors and turn the lights down low. Put some music on the top and slow. Yeah. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all along. Never felt the feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your